My name is Paul Boonstra on the Bouman real estate team. I got started in real estate about 5 years ago. I was in a different industry and I was looking for a career change. After I bought my house with a real estate agent on our team, it got me intrigued about that process and what that might look like, jumping into real estate, just because I love all things houses. I enjoy helping people, and it just felt like a really good fit going forward. We started partnering with Allen Edwin Homes. I was already on the Bouman real estate team, and they had already had a partnership with Allen Edwin. So their rep, Allen Edwin's rep, would come into our team meetings and kind of go over market stuff, their building process, what homes they had out there. So we just kind of formed a relationship there. So I enjoy partnering with Allen Edwin Homes, and I think that's kind of a key term, is that partnership. There's a lot of other home builders out there, but Allen Edwin really does a nice job partnering with real estate teams and giving us information and showing us, hey, what homes they have coming available, so that we can be on top of things with our clients and give our clients the best experience. The reason my clients go to Allen Edwin Homes is because they offer a really quality home at a good price. A lot of my clients kind of are looking out in the market and current available homes out there, and with the way that the market has been, it's hard for them to purchase something, or they're going up against multiple offers. So Allen Edwin is a really good solution to that, because they offer a quality home, something that my clients can move into that's move-in ready. They don't have to do a lot of work on it right away and dump a lot of money right up front, because they have something that's move-in ready. So I love real estate because I like helping people. Ultimately, that's one of the reasons I made a career change a while back, was because I just wanted to be in front of people and develop relationships. And real estate, it's not necessarily sales, it's more relationship building, and I really enjoy that about real estate. So what sets my business apart from others is that, I enjoy helping people. I don't necessarily care about the sale. I care about my clients. I care about, are they getting what they need or what they want? I'm not here just to make another transaction, and that's why I like working with Allen Edwin, because I have the same feeling with them, as they want to make sure the clients are getting the house that they want and the house that they need, not just to make another sale. Allen Edwin saves me time because they have reps that we partner with, and ultimately those reps have all the knowledge about the homes that they sell, the locations that they're selling in, so they can kind of take over the process at a certain point, where I can give my clients, hey, here's kind of how things are shaking out in the industry, right? Here's what the housing market looks like. I can show them homes that are currently on the market that are 30, 20, 10 years old. But when it comes to new construction, if we go that route, Allen Edwin really takes my clients and partners with us and kind of walks them through to the finish line when they complete the build. Like I said, they're partners with us. So they come to our office, they talk about the housing market, they ask how things are going with our clients, what clients we might have, where Allen Edwin can then come in and be a solution for the needs that those clients have. So they're not just a random builder that I have to go seek out. It's an active partnership. So it just helps me grow my business, because they're on top of things, and they help me be on top of things and make sure I have a good understanding of the market, what they have available, and just what's out there. It's super easy to register my buyers with Allen Edwin. I give my rep a call or shoot my rep a text, and they get registered. Pretty simple. I think at the end of the day, I kind of mentioned partnership, right? And that's how I've always viewed Allen Edwin. Since I got into this industry, they've been one of my biggest partners, because they care, and that's what I look for in a partner. I look for someone that's honest and trustworthy, and that I can, hand my client off to and feel comfortable with it, and know that they're in good hands and they'll be, well taken care of.